Alright, Positively Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Disunga from Mike and Jane's Project. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga Delivers natin. And doon sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan. Doc Gigi Disunga. Okay, so, sumagot tayo ng tanong kanina tapos ng vlog kung magre-resign ba tayo o hindi. So, kung gusto nyo malaman yan, panoorin nyo yung YouTube channel, yung video ko kanina. Okay, alright, so, how to find your opportunity or how to create your own opportunity. Di ba minsan pagka tumingin ka sa paligid, sa mga tao sa harap mo, di ba? Minsan parang wala, eto na tayo, parang ganon. So, minsan sabihin natin, walang opportunity dito di ba? So, kaya maraming nag-abroad, maraming lumuluwas sa Manila, maraming nagpupunta sa ibang bayan, o maraming nag-change ng environment kasi iniisip nila wala silang opportunity. Pero ano ba talaga yung pwede mong gawin pagka walang opportunity sa paligid mo, okay? So, wala kang makitang opportunity. So, alright, okay. So, sasagutin natin yan. Announcement mo tayo. At si Irene, Ren, picturean mo ako, yan. Binipicturean po ako, binibideo. Nagpa-vlog kasi pinopromote natin yan. Okay. Alright, so, bago niya, habang pinipicturean tayo, announcement natin sa Feb 9. So, nasa SM North tayo. Gusto nyo vlog ng business o magpa-coach one-on-one tayo I will be giving you 2 hours. May available slot pa tayo ng afternoon, parang 3 to 5 onwards. Meron pa tayong time. Then Feb 10, Bulacan tayo. Feb 16, Taytay. So kung gusto nyo magpunta ako sa probinsya nyo, message nyo lang po ako. Alright? So, pag walang opportunity sa paligid mo, anong dapat mong gawin? Isa lang ang dapat mong gawin. When you can find opportunity na parang yun na yung dulo ng buhay mo, wala ka nang pwedeng gawin. So, ang dapat mong gawin, simple lang. You just create your own opportunity. Diba? Create your own opportunity. Hindi pwedeng pag wala kang opportunity makita, yun na. So, Doc, paano ba how to create your own opportunity? Okay? So, let me just share. Maraming beses ko na sinare to. Pero ulitin ko, lalo doon sa first time lang tayo napanood sa aking YouTube channel. When I was promoted as the principal and dean of academic affairs ng school namin. So, yun na. So, sabi ko, ito na yung opportunity. Nandiyan na siya. So, wala na. Wala na opportunity outside. Parang, tinanggap ko na yung scenario na from house, pasok tayo, then church. So, tatlo na yung pinupuntahan natin. Bahay, school, church. Bahay, work, church. So, naka-triangle lang ako. Yun lang iniikutan ko. Then, may mga, so sabi ko kasi, one time, I thought of, working abroad. So, sabi ko, baka doon may opportunity. Baka, siyempre, may mga gusto rin tayong gawin sa buhay natin, di ba? Sabi ko nga, you have to refuse to settle, Doon sa isa kong channel. By the way, may isa kong channel, Victorious Life, please. Puntahan nyo na po. Ngayon na po, Victorious Life. Yan. So, mag-subscribe po kayo dyan. English version. So, sabi ko, parang gusto kong mag-abroad. Kasi, parang there's something na gusto kong gawin. Okay? There's something in me na parang kumakawala na gusto ko siyang gawin. At saka parang, ayun nga, limited ang resources natin So, I want to buy this, I want to go there, I want to do these things. Hindi ko siya magawa kasi meron lang tayong limited resources. So, what I did is, I just dig in dun sa aking mga skills. I just explore anong pwede kong gawin. Okay? So, I did not go abroad. I did not go to Manila. Well, there was a time in my life na nag-abroad tayo, but I wasn't able to conquer Manila. So, bumalik ako sa Bataan. So, how did I create my own opportunity? Kasi parang kaiba Parang from a principal to vlogger, from a principal to investment coach, from principal to speaker. Yun, medyo malapit pa yun Principal to speaker. Pero yung from principal to vlogger, so medyo parang hindi siya ordinary, di ba? So, yung pagiging not that ordinary, yun ang aking naging opportunity. Well, I may be the first principal na naging vlogger. I don't know if I am the first. Hindi ko alam kung meron na kayong kakilala na ganon. Pero, hindi ko alam. Pero dito sa Bataan, I'm the first na principal na naging vlogger. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, napalawa ko yung opportunity without me moving out from my province. Without me leaving our country. Without me, leaving what I have. Alright? So, from what I have, I stand on that, then created another opportunity. Alright? So, nilawakan lang natin yung, I use my skills, of course. Then second, na ginawa ko to create my own opportunity, and you can do also the same. Nilawakan lang natin yung network natin, yung mga tao sa paligid natin. So, hindi ko na siya kinonfine sa ito lang dapat kong kausap. So, I made sure, at present, up to now, I've made sure once a week meron tayong kausap na ibang tao. Like, minsan ay pinaulakan ko na ibang meetings, so just talking to other people with business, people with great ideas, kahit na hindi natutuloy yung aming mga transactions. At least, meron akong time to hear something new from other people. Then, mula doon sa mga pinagbibigyan ko, makausap ko na tao sa paligid ko, pinagbigyan ko invitations nila, meetings, kahit ako na minsan mag-travel. So, from that, I created new opportunity. So, sila ngayon yung nagpapamarket, nagpapa-vlog ng kanilang mga business, okay? To widen my, in building my wealth, sabihin ko na yun specifically. So, what I'm trying to say, from where I am, na wala nang makitang siguro opportunity, kasi kumbaga pag tininan mo, ang isang tao, I finished my PhD, I got the highest position in the school, so, well, of course, I the president and the vice president, no, as the Dean of Academic Affairs. So, parang yun na yung dulo. Pero meron pa pala outside, okay? So, G-Libers, huwag natin i-confine ang sarili natin from do sa four corners ng kinaroroonan mo ngayon. If you think that's the end of it, no, okay? Subukan mong tumanaw sa bintana. Yan. Tumingin ka sa bintana, may makikita kang ibang tao, maipag-usap ka sa ibang tao, at yung tao na yan, may dala siyang ibang opportunity sa'yo. That's how you create your own opportunity. Talk to different people, widen your network, okay? And the last, alright, so how to create your own opportunity, try to reflect, ano pa meron ka na pwede mong gawin idalin sa marketplace. Because sabi ko nga po, the marketplace is waiting for you. The marketplace is waiting for somebody who will provide solutions sa problem nila. So if you think you can solve problems, then yung market, iniintay ka na matagal na. Okay? So like in my case, dito sa Bataan, meron akong isang kilala talaga na speaker dito sa Bataan. So most of the time, pag may mga seminar, siya talaga yung ini-invite. So ang laki din ng demand of being a speaker, yung nangangailangan ng speaker dito sa town namin and nearby provinces. So, kumuha pa sila Manila, something like that. So, when I rebrand myself, okay, as a speaker, in a way, I answered their problem. So, ito ako ngayon na pwede nyo akong kuhanin na malapit that fit to your budget. Okay? So, that's one. Second, when I became a coach, so ang daming problema, lalo OFW. Ang daming, hindi siya problem situation na dapat may mabago sa kanila. So, they want to hear something na makakapagpabago sa mindset nila, na makakapagpabago sa finances nila, lalo na. So, doon ako dumating sa buhay nila. So, I was able to reframe their minds kung paano magkaroon ng target, ng goal sa buhay, at magsimula uli on their finances. So, in a way, I answered their problem as their coach, right? So, that's where I took advantage of it. I created another opportunity in my life. Okay? So, another thing is, when there are different businesses outside na problema sila how to market. Ito ngayon dumating sa YouTube ko na marami nanonood. At present, I have more than 54,000 subscribers and more than 6 million views. So every day, almost 300 persons are subscribing to my channel and almost 30,000 people are watching my videos, my vlogs. Okay? So dahil ganun kalawak ang market natin, again, I answered the problem of other businesses. That is how to market their business na hindi sila nagbabayad ng mahal. Kasi very minimal lang talaga yung charge natin kasi may expenses lang ako. I traveled, so kaya naniningil tayo. So again, I created an opportunity. Naka-spot ako ng konting opportunity, pero napalawak ko yon. Okay? So what I'm trying to say sa lahat ng mga delivers natin, wherever you are right now, sabi ko nga doon sa isa kong channel, you just have to refuse to settle. Yung kinaroroonan mo, that's not yet your final destination. hindi yan ang final. It's just a part of the journey. Okay? So, if you accept or if you want to settle there, yan ka na talaga. Hindi mo na makikita what's more outside. Okay? So, you just have to refuse, you refuse to settle, and then if you can find opportunity, if there is just a single light, a single opening na makikita mo for that opportunity, go grab that opportunity. Create your own opportunity. Pag di mo siya makita, pwede mo siya i-create, di ba? Alright, so paano naman yung Doc D? Again, sinabi ko kanina, summarize lang natin. Use your skills, then use your skills to solve others' problem and to talk to other people. Use network because these people are bringing opportunities in your life. Alright? So, if you have other questions, kung meron kang gusto pang gawin sa buhay mo ngayon, that, Doc G, I really can't find opportunity, parang ala talaga eh. If you think you need someone na ipakita sa'yo, ano yung opportunity meron ka? Ano pa yung pwedeng mangyari sa buhay mo? Kahit OFW ka, so sabihin na OFW lang ako, Doc G, hindi. Malayo pa yung mararating mo. Kung ordinary empleyado ka naman dito sa Pilipinas, meron ka pa rin kayang marating. Kung meron kang maliit na negosyo, kaya mo expand yan. Okay? So, I can help you. Message mo lang ako sa aking number, 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga, FB account, Gigi Sunga. Kausapin mo ako, usap tayo. We will be scheduling one-on-one coaching, pwedeng online or personal. Okay? So, please share this video sa lahat mga kaibigan natin, OFW, kahit dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at tumulad ng ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go! Let's go! Yo.